Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, class 9, chapter 2, Introduction to Linear Polynomials, end of chapter exercises, question number 7. We'll solve the first one and the third one. First one and third one in question number 7. The question says, draw the graph of the following equations and identify their slopes and y-intercepts. Also, find the coordinates of the points where these lines cut the y-axis. So, we are solving the first one and the third one. We have to draw the graph first and we have to identify the slope and the y-intercepts. Also, we have to find the coordinates of the point where these lines cut the y-axis. Let's take the first one. The first one, y is equal to minus 3x plus 4. So here, when we compare it with the standard form, y is equal to ax plus b, value of a is minus 3, value of b is 4. So a shows the slope, b shows the y-intercept. So the slope, that is a, is equal to minus 3. So slope of the line is minus 3. Then the y-intercept, that is b, is equal to 4. So the line cuts the y-axis at a point zero 4. Now we'll draw the graph of this. So y equal to minus 3x plus 4. Let x be equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 3 into 0 plus 4. That's equal to, it will become 0, so 4. The x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is 4. Next, let x be equal to 1. Then y will be equal to minus 3 into 1 plus 4. That's equal to minus 3 plus 4. That's equal to 1. So x coordinate is 1 and the y coordinate also is 1. Next, let x be equal to 2. Then y will be equal to minus 3 into 2 plus 4. So that's equal to 3 to the 6. So minus 6 plus 4. You will get minus 2. So x coordinate is 2 and the y coordinate is minus 2. So now we will put this in the box. So we'll put the box here. X, Y, 0, 4, 1, 1, 2 minus 2. Now we'll take this second one. That is the third one in the textbook. The third sum in the textbook. So 5y equal to 6x minus 10. So now I will bring this equation in the standard form of y equal to ax plus b. So y is equal to 6x minus 10 divided by 5. So y will be equal to, I will split 5 for both, 6x by 5 minus 10 by 5. So y will be equal to 6 by 5 is 1.2. So 1.2x minus 5 2s are 10 minus 2. So now when we compare it with the standard form, y is equal to ax plus b. A is equal to 1.2, b is equal to minus 2. So slope, that is A, is equal to 1.2. The y-intercept that is B is equal to minus 2. So the line cuts the y-axis at a point zero minus 2. So now we will try to draw the graph of that. So y equal to (1.2x minus 2). So let x be equal to 0, then y will be equal to 1.2 into 0 minus 2, that's equal to minus 2. So the x coordinate is 0 and the y coordinate is minus 2. Let x be equal to minus 1, then y will be equal to 1.2 into minus 1 minus 2, that's equal to minus 1.2 minus 2, that will be equal to minus 3.2. So the x coordinate is minus 1, y coordinate is minus 3.2. Let x be equal to minus 2, then y will be equal to 1.2 into minus 2 minus 2, that will be equal to minus 2.4 minus 2, that's equal to minus 4.4. So x coordinate is minus 2, y is minus 4.4. We'll put in the box. X, y, 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3.2 minus 2 minus 4.4. So now we will plot the graphs. The first one 0, 4, 1, 1, 2 minus 2. The first one is 0, 4. 0, 4 means this is that point. 0, 4. Next one is 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. So this is that point. Next is 2 minus 2. X is 2, y is minus 2. So when you draw the join these lines, we'll get the graph. So I can write on this y is equal to minus 3x plus 4, y is equal to minus 3x plus 4. The next one, the values are 0 minus 2, minus 1 minus 3.2, minus 2 minus 4.4. So we'll plot them. 0 minus 2, this is that point, 0 minus 2, minus 1 minus 3.2, minus 1 minus 3.2, so 3.2, this is that point. One more, minus 2 minus 4.2, 4.4, minus 2 minus 4.4. That point. So when you join these three, we'll get the graph. So this is that graph. I can write on this 5y equal to 6x minus 10. 5y equal to 6x minus 10. So we have plotted the graphs. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.